Welcome back, everyone. I know it's been a while since we posted a video on the 91 Project Poo Box Civic Hatchback, but here it is. We finally completed it. It's drivable, but we still have to do some final touches on it to make it comfortable. But we'll take a walk around and look at it. It's a 1991 Honda Civic Hatchback. This is the Canadian version. If you notice, it does not have a passenger side mirror. So all in all, it is in excellent condition. Nothing on it is crashed, really. Everything is present. We put an exhaust system on it, new shocks, new brakes, controller arms, tie rod ends, everything. Just redid suspension, refreshed it. I mean, this thing is in absolute excellent condition here. We'll take a look inside. Inside is not totally complete yet, but since this is the Canadian model without the mirror on the passenger side, it did come with power steering and air conditioning, but no radio. But we did buy the special insert for the radio. So this Civic has full power steering, full AC, full heat. It's amazing for a 91 Honda, and it's very rare to find them in at least this good a condition. It's pretty decent. It did suffer a little bit of front end damage, it looks like. Nothing too big that we can't bend back together, but we will fix it eventually. We just want to get something on the road and driving. We'll check it out, pop the hood, and show you everything inside. This is the original cluster, 5-speed swapped. So it's not the original trans, but as you see, it's the automatic cluster. It says it's got 302,000 miles. I believe it. I really do. Because the engine does smoke a little bit. Let's get out here and check. See what we got in here. We added some goodies. All right. We got a Skunk 2 half radiator, 1320 headers down into a full exhaust system, a max speeding rod, traction bar for clearance. As you can see there, the headers sit pretty low, but it is doing excellent here. We put a new battery in it. The trans had to be changed. We did a full tune-up, fuel filter, got everything running right. We'll start it up, turn the lights on, and show you guys how it sounds. We're pretty happy with it. Still got to get seat belts and everything in it before we drive it. But it fires right up. Let's see here. Oh, let me find the key. Check engine light's going to be on because it's looking for a automatic transmission and it's not there. Got to do the timing belt and everything. A little wobble in there. A little D-series timing belt. Not hard to do, but there's the power steering. It's amazing. Even though these cars don't need power steering, having it is just absolutely phenomenal in this car. New brake no. Still the original brake booster. That's a new master cylinder and fluid. We're getting rid of this manifold. We just kind of pieced it together. There's tape on there. But everything is running good. Not too much smoke out of the exhaust. Give it a couple revs and see how it sounds. You can find the throttle down there. Sounds pretty good. All right, we got a couple of nostalgic suspension mods there, a Megan Racing crossbar and a Megan Racing carbon bar. There's gonna be more to come. It's the OEM tire, spare tire. Smash the like button, subscribe, share. That helps me and lets me know that you guys like these videos. Till next time, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.